heard those crazy exhaust notes. Both cars sound very good, but we just want to mention a couple quick differences before we finish this video, just so you know. So we obviously spent a lot of time with both, more so the 355 of course, but exhaust note, that's a big difference. You guys probably heard in those videos. 360,
both were totally stock exhaust, so you get a really good feel for it.
Both sound good. 360 sounds much better when you're higher in the RPMs, that's for sure, but both sound quite good. It's just the 355 has more an F1 kind of sound. Throw aftermarket exhaust on both of them, oh my god, wow. that would sound fantastic. But anyway, so that's a big difference there. But then there's a lot of similarities too. F1 system, very similar. They made very minor modifications to the system, so both feel quite similar.
I think so.
Basically the same. Both are, you know, good systems for the era, but to modern day spec, they're a little slow, a little clunkish, but oh well, that's how that goes. Let's see, other similarities. Both handled very well, yeah. Right?
I think they both felt very much like a Ferrari, low, and as you would expect them to feel and handle. It's both handled really well.
Rear-mounted engines, of course.
Both the engines kind of sounded similar, other than the exhaust note. Just the sound of the engine sounded
5 valves
similar.
per cylinder, so they're minor little tweaks on the 360. So those are pretty similar too, and both get a ton of attention, as you would guess.
Yeah. Style
designs are obviously very different, but yet there's some cues that are similar, typical Ferrari, you know, type deal like that. But other than that, both are great cars. Me, oh my, like, we had a great time with both of them. We love our 355, and we really enjoyed driving the 360. So it was a fun day. But that's what we have for the differences there, the two comparisons. Hope you like those exhaust notes. That was fun to film, and those just a couple differences that we had in mind. Yeah. So both great cars, for sure. And yeah, so thank you for watching this little comparison. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out all the other videos with these cars, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay. Feels pretty good. Yeah.
Pretty good. that was pretty good.
That it feels right.